In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create and upload your first digital product on Gumroad. Now this is assuming that you already have your Gumroad account, right? So you're going to go to products, select new product, specify the type of product that you want to upload. Let's say digital product. This could be like a template. Specify a name for your product. Then scroll down and specify a price for your product, right? Then select next to customization. Now here's where you describe your product, right? Put all information that you need for the buyer, right? There's a lot of information that you can add. Now on the content section is where you upload the product. So here you're going to select upload files, and then you can browse for the file that you want to upload as your digital product. I hope this helps. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.